Hello, what up traders? If you've not heard about top-down analysis before, this video is going to teach you a lot about top-down analysis. So today I'm on the monthly time frame. As you can see, Euro USD has been making this bullish momentum for even since beginning of this year. Let me say since beginning of 2025, Euro USD, since February 2025, Euro USD has actually been making higher highs and higher lows structures. So let me go to the weekly time frame because I've already knew that Euro USD is going to bullish. So let's roll down to the weekly time frame. Let me see more about Euro USD structures. You can see we've been having this strong bullish momentum on Euro USD. These have shown me that we're making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and another higher low here. So I'm anticipating another move, at least to a very strong psychological number, at least to this point. So this is going to be a huge move. This is going to be a huge move until we get to 2026, maybe around middle of 2026. This is going to be a very huge, big move. So if you're not in my Telegram group, so you just need to rush and go and join because it's actually for free and you're going to see other traders there. It's actually for free. So let me roll down to the daily time frame and break down Euro USD for you. First, let me break down the weekly time frame. When I got to this weekly time frame, I knew that Euro USD was making lower lows and lower highs, higher highs and higher lows. So I anticipated Euro USD to move higher from this angle here, but Euro USD did not move higher from this point here. So I knew this zone here will be respected on Euro USD. As you can see, I saw a very strong bullish momentum here. So let's roll down to the daily time frame. If you're a beginner, you don't really know about top-down analysis. This is how top-down analysis is being made. Very easy and simple, but some knowledge will be added onto it if you're a day trader or you're a swing trader. So, like you can see here, when I came to this point, I saw that Euro USD respected this point and gave me this double bottom. This double bottom is signifying a very strong push. This is a daily time frame. This daily time frame cannot be manipulated everly. So if you're a trader, you really need to be respecting the top-down analysis. If you really don't know about the top-down analysis, I guess I did a video about top-down analysis also. And if you're a beginner, you really not need to watch this video in my Telegram, in my channel about beginner. This video I taught a lot about trading and I gave out 5 strong helpful books that will help you as a beginner in the market. So after I saw this top down, this double bottom on Euro USD here, I already knew that Euro USD will be going from lower lows to lower highs. So if you really know about chart patterns, you can send me you can drop a comment about this chart pattern. What's the name of this chart pattern here? I'm not going to say the name of this chart pattern because this is a very clear chart pattern. If you're a pro, you really know what you're doing, you know the basics, right? Drop a comment about this chart pattern and tell me this chart pattern. So drop a comment and tell me about this chart pattern here. So secondly, I saw after Euro USD broke this chart pattern and retest this neckline, we already knew that Euro USD will be making strong bullish momentum from this point, from this neckline. So we took TP, I and my team, we took trade from this chart pattern here. We took it, we hit some structures this high, we took this high, and we waited. This one was our last 2 weeks and last 3 weeks trade. That was why I've not cleared the chart here. So after taking this trade from here, so also this chart pattern displayed again on Euro USD. If you're a pro, tell me the name of this chart pattern on the comment section because this is a very clear chart pattern. If you're a pro or you were a beginner, you need to learn about the basics, and also this chart pattern will be displayed on the basic. But if you don't know the name of this chart pattern, drop the comment on the comment section. Say, I don't really know the name of this chart pattern. I'm going to DM you directly and tell you the name of this chart pattern. Also, it's going to help you a lot to know chart patterns on the market. So after we broke these structures from here, after we broke out from this strong zone here, if you really don't know about zone as a beginner, I did a video and it's on my channel about zones. At least my channel teach a lot. I teach a lot and I'm honest. I'm the most honest guy you've ever seen. This forex space is very hard, but I'm here to do it for free. Remember my promise from the onset. I say everything that is hard on this space, that I'm going to make it very easy for my beginners. So we took another TP from this angle here. We took another TP from this angle here. As you can see, after we break out from this place, I still use the same chart pattern I told you to drop the name on the comment section. I still use the same chart pattern, and now we hit another overall TP. Look at our overall TP at this point, at least at this psychological number here at 118. So this is me again, Destiny from DPips Academy. I'm here to tell you a very good about Euro USD. If you're a beginner and you saw this long wick here, don't anticipate that this long wick is giving you a sell momentum, because Euro USD is actually respecting higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs and higher lows. So always anticipate higher highs and higher lows on Euro USD. So peace out, guys. It's me, Destiny from DPips Academy. And don't forget to click the like button and hit the subscribe button to get a very good weekly predictions like this. Don't anticipate sell setups on Euro USD. Anticipate buy setups for now on Euro USD until we get to the beginning of 2026 or so or thereof, before you can be anticipating sells on Euro USD. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.